This simple method is helping complete beginners and people who've been struggling to get results online hit their first 5 figures in a month. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what they're doing and most importantly, how you can do the same. So make sure to watch this video all the way into the end. Now, the way that so many people are earning with this hot new opportunity is through master resale rights. Now, master resale rights isn't a new concept, but the way that people are using it to earn their first sale online is. Now, if you don't know what master resale rights is, it's where you purchase a digital product one time, and once you purchase that product, you now own the rights to resell and rebrand that product as your own. You can resell that digital product over and over again, and since it is a digital product, there's very little overhead. Now, when people usually think about master resale rights, or M.r.r. to keep it short, they're usually thinking about something like an ebook that they purchase and then they turn around and sell for $5 or $10. Now, that used to be the case until somebody took the concept of M.r.r. and they put a new spin on it. Only a few short months ago, somebody purchased a digital product that comes with master resale rights, teaching people how to learn digital marketing. And they also created their own community, teaching people who are learning digital marketing and need help with the technical side of it. This combination is taking somebody who has never made $1 online before and showing them how to build a sales funnel, how to use tools to manage their business, and also how to brand themselves. This is a game changer in the digital marketing space. Now, unlike affiliate marketing where you're promoting somebody else's product and you earn a commission or a percentage of the sale for the product that you're promoting when that person buys it, with master resale rights, you get to keep 100% of the profits. And when you purchase a digital product that comes with master resale rights, you can rebrand it and resell it as your own. So when you purchase a digital product that comes with master resale rights, if you sell it one time, you make your money back. And any sale that is made after that is all profit. And people are taking the training inside this program, setting up their businesses, and getting results fast. You can also take the skills that are taught inside this training program and apply them to any online business. Now, you might be wondering what exactly is inside this program. Well, let me show you. Okay, so this training program is hosted on a platform called School, which is like a social media platform without any of the distractions. And it's actually a pretty good platform to learn from. Now, this is a rebranded version of this training from somebody named Michelle Spark. So this is actually the community that she created called Learn and Earn Profits Online. And there's a few other people who created their own community around this training, but I really like Michelle's because she explains everything in a step-by-step manner. And she's added a few of her own training modules as well. So once you're inside of this community, when you click on the classroom section right here, this is where all the training modules are held. So this first module is just an introduction to this course and also this platform, just demonstrating how you can use this platform. So if you're somebody who is like me, who is brand new to the platform of School, then this is going to be really helpful. And the second module just explains all the details of the master resale rights course if you want to rebrand it and resell it as your own. Now, one of the caveats to this master resale rights training program is you can rebrand it and resell it as your own, but you can't edit the original training, and you can also add it as a bonus to a main offer that you're selling. And you can't sell it for less than the original creator's price. And I'll get into pricing at the end of this video, but you can sell this product for more. Now, you can add additional trainings to the original training in this course, and you can also add bonuses to it. But if you are going to be reselling this training program, this has to be your main offer. So moving on, we have the introduction to digital marketing, which really covers the mission statement, having a vision for your brand, and also brand position. And then the next module is setting up your sales funnel using system.io. Now, this right here shows you step by step, click by click, how to get everything set up with system.io. So if you ever felt intimidated building a sales funnel within system.io, this training removes all that for you by showing you every step of the process. And it even shows you how to set up a payment gateway so you can start collecting payments through PayPal and also Stripe. Now, the next module shows you how to optimize your sales process by adding testimonials inside of your funnel, and also how to add a frequently asked questions section inside of your funnel as well. And it also shows you how to set up Calendly. So this tool allows people to set up a one-on-one Zoom call with you that works on your schedule once you set it up. And this is a tool that I've been using even before I jumped into this program, so it's pretty useful. Now, there is a step-by-step training module showing you how to set up your sales funnels using ClickFunnels. So this is actually the platform that I use, and this is very detailed. And then there's an email marketing module, which shows you how to get your professional email and how to set up your DNS record. So more of the technical side of it. But it also shows you how to create an email campaign and send out broadcast emails. Now, one of the things that stood out to me inside of this training was that they use ChatGPT to give you a good reference for email, which is something that I've never seen any other training program use. There's even a resource giving you a ChatGPT prompt so you can write emails for yourself. Now, of course, you're going to want to edit and proofread what ChatGPT gives you, but this is going to save you a ton of time for anybody who has never done email marketing before. And then there's a branding expansion module, which pretty much teaches you how to expand your brand. And it does this by showing you how to build a marketing plan and how to create content for your target audience. Now, the next module is content strategy. So this is a module that gives you tools that you can use to come up with ideas for creating content. And it shows you how to do keyword research, and it gives you hooks that you can use that'll capture your audience attention right away. And plus, there's a lot more inside of this module. And then we got platforms that you can market on. So Facebook is a pretty popular platform that people use to market their business. And it walks you through on how to set it up so you can start marketing your business on Facebook. And then they also have a training inside this module on how to use Craigslist to market your business, which I found kind of interesting. And then they also have TikTok training. Now the next module is SEO training. So this is a pretty basic training showing you how to set up a website using Squarespace. Now me personally, I don't use Squarespace, but this would be perfect for any beginner who's looking to build a website and they're not really too tech savvy. And then we have business tools. So these are all tools that you can use to help you automate, optimize, and help you schedule content and strategies for your business. And there's a video showing you how to use each one of these tools. And there's also a module showing you how to use ChatGPT for your business. Now, I haven't gone through this module yet, but as we all know, AI is changing the way that we use things. And learning how to use AI is going to help people to grow their business. But enough about the modules that are inside of this training program. I also wanted to mention the community that comes with this program. So there's an amazing community that's included with this program. So if you know how Michelle Sparks is, you know that she's supportive and she's very helpful. You can ask questions inside of this community if you ever need help. So if you need help with a certain topic, let's say you need help with the funnel, you can just click on this category right here and then type in your question. If you need help with email marketing, you can do the same thing. Click on the category and type in your question. But not only that, there's a live Q&A every week inside of this community. So once you're inside of this community, all you'd have to do is click on calendar up here, and there's a live Q&A every Monday. And this is to answer questions that people have. And there's another event on Fridays called Funnel Fridays. This is a live meeting that you can jump on if you need help with your funnel. Now let's talk about the price and what's included inside this program. This training program is a one-time payment of $497. And you get access to all the training modules and also a very supportive community that you can reach out to if you ever get stuck or you need help. And I almost forgot to mention, you can book a 30-minute one-on-one call if you need that extra bit of help. And most importantly, you get the master resale rights to this digital program that you can rebrand and resell as your own. Now, if $497 seems like too much to drop all at one time, there is a monthly payment option available for 5 payments of $110. And I have the link to that in the description of this video. Now, if you do choose to go with the monthly payment option, you'll get instant access to the training course and the community, but you won't have access to the master resale rights of this course until you're paid off in full. Now, I have to give a disclaimer. Since this course comes with master resale rights, there are no refunds. Because the creator of this program, they didn't want people to join this program, download all the video files, and then refund the program. Now, if you want to start earning with master resale rights, whether you want to pay in full or if you want to go with the monthly payment option, I'll leave a link for that in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you made it this far, I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more ways to start earning online and also how to build a personal brand. Now, if you want to learn why so many people are mad at this company, then just click right here.